There is no pain as silent as when a loved one gradually forgets your name, forgets the house they have lived in all their lives, and forgets who they are. Have you ever called Mom and received a strange look in return? That is a heartbreaking moment. No one is ready for it, and no one wants to see it come too late. Dementia does not strike in a day. It creeps in quietly, creeping little by little, like a small fire destroying a forest of memories. But there is still hope if we recognize it early, if we act in time, and today is an opportunity. There is a worry that many people aged 60 and over do not speak out, but silently feel, the worry of gradually forgetting important things. Not forgetting keys or birthdays, but forgetting the name of a loved one, forgetting a beautiful memory, even forgetting who they are. Dementia does not come suddenly. It progresses silently, little by little, starting with small changes that are easily overlooked. And because we don't pay attention when we realize it, it's too late. The good news is that if detected early, it is completely possible to slow down the degeneration process, even improve brain function thanks to lifestyle changes, proper nutrition, and proper care. In today's video, I will share 6 silent signs of memory loss that you absolutely should not ignore. At the same time, I also bring 7 natural, simple, but effective solutions to restore and protect memory. Things you can start today. Sign 1, difficulty organizing and planning. This is one of the earliest and most obvious signs. People with dementia often get confused when they have to do things that involve many steps, such as preparing meals, scheduling medical appointments, or planning a trip. They easily forget what they are doing, leave it unfinished, or don't remember how far they have come. Things that were once routine now become vague. This reflects a decline in the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain that controls concentration, logical thinking, and the ability to execute tasks. Sign 2, distinct personality changes, irritability or withdrawal. This change is often mistaken for old age temperament, but it is actually an early sign of cognitive dysfunction. People with dementia may become quiet, pessimistic, emotional, or angry for no reason. A person who used to be humorous and close to their children and grandchildren may suddenly become difficult and unwilling to communicate. This can make them feel isolated, making the condition worse due to a lack of social connection. An important factor in maintaining memory and emotions. Sign 3, chronic constipation of unknown cause. Prolonged constipation is a little-known sign but has a close connection to the brain. The gut and brain are connected via the entero-brain nerve axis. When the gut is not functioning properly, toxins accumulate and the microflora is out of balance, which directly affects neurotransmitters such as serotonin. This is a substance that greatly affects mood, memory, and sleep quality. Therefore, a person with chronic constipation, especially if accompanied by symptoms of decreased concentration and mental fatigue, should be closely monitored. Sign 4, sensory disturbances. Hearing, smell, taste are all changed. Cognitive decline not only affects memory, but also changes the perception of the world around. The patient may not notice the smell of smoke when food is burning, not feel delicious even though the food is the same as before, or cannot hear the voices of relatives clearly. These changes make them gradually lose interest in life, leading to anorexia, lack of exercise, thereby creating a spiral of deterioration in both physical and mental health. Sign 5, difficulty communicating, repeating words, or losing the flow of speech. A person who is speaking normally may suddenly hesitate, not find the right word, or replace it with another word that does not mean the right thing. They may repeat words many times or say familiar words incorrectly, such as calling table, chair. These manifestations make the patient self-conscious, afraid to talk, and gradually withdraw into silence. This is a sign that the hippocampus and language areas in the brain are damaged, the center that maintains the ability to express and receive information. Sign 6, disorientation in familiar places. The patient may step out of the house and not know how to get back or get lost in the neighborhood where they have lived for many years. They may also confuse the location of rooms in their own home. When the brain's navigation system, like an internal map, begins to fail, the patient is prone to confusion, panic, and insecurity. This is a serious sign indicating the need for more frequent supervision and companionship from relatives. 7, natural memory support solution. Supplement vitamin B1, a source of vital energy for the brain. Vitamin B1 is an essential nutrient for all brain activities. It helps convert energy in nerve cells, especially important for the hippocampus, the memory storage center. B1 deficiency is common in older people who eat a lot of starch, few vegetables, or drink alcohol. Action: use nutritional yeast, avoid alcohol, reduce white starch, increase whole foods rich in B vitamins. Balance intestinal microflora. The source of intelligence. The intestine is considered the second brain because it deeply affects mood, cognition, and memory. Imbalance of beneficial bacteria in the intestine leads to chronic inflammation and the production of toxins that affect the brain. Action: eat a variety of vegetables and fruits. Supplement fermented foods, pickles, yogurt, kefir. Use fiber from flax seeds, chia seeds. Fast intermittently for 12 to 14 hours a day. Eat bean sprouts and broccoli sprouts. Nutrients from sprouts. Bean sprouts and broccoli sprouts contain sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant which helps protect and restore nerve cells, slowing down brain degeneration. Action: eat raw, lightly steamed, or in salads. Grow at home to ensure freshness. Use regularly every day to maximize effectiveness. Increase ketones. Alternative fuel source for the brain. When the brain's ability to absorb glucose is impaired, ketones from fat will become an effective alternative energy source. This is especially useful for people at risk of Alzheimer's. Action: apply a low-starch diet. Increase green vegetables and good fats. Avocado, coconut oil, fatty fish. Add MCT oil. Intermittent fasting to activate natural ketone production. Ginkgo biloba. Increase cerebral blood circulation. Ginkgo improves blood flow to the brain, helping to increase oxygen and nutrients to nerve cells. This is the most studied herb for memory. Action: use standardized tablets or herbal tea. Should be maintained for at least 2 to 3 months. Consult a doctor if you are taking anticoagulants. Lion's mane mushroom. Rejuvenating. Neural connections. Lion's mane mushroom stimulates the production of NGF, nerve growth factor, which helps restore damaged connections in the brain. This is a valuable food for people with cognitive impairment. Action: use in pill, powder, or soup form. Prioritize organic products with quality testing. Use regularly every day for 1-2 months. Foundational nutrients. Long-term memory protection barrier. The brain needs to be comprehensively nourished with foundational nutrients, omega-3, DHA, vitamin D, zinc, magnesium, B vitamins. This is a solid barrier that helps fight degeneration and maintain long-term clarity. Action: eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week. Sunbathe for 15-20 minutes. Eat whole grains, dark green vegetables, almonds. You can supplement with multivitamins if necessary. Summary: emotions for the sick. If you are listening to this and you feel like you are forgetting something, don't be afraid. You are not alone. The confusion of forgetting a person's name, the feeling of loss when you don't remember why you are here, it's all real. But it doesn't make you any less valuable. It doesn't make you any less loved. You may feel different. You may notice a part of you fading away. But the rest, your heart, your humanity, the kindness in your eyes, is still here. Still intact. Don't be ashamed to ask for help. Speak up if you feel lost. Because the people who love you, they are still here. Still wanting to accompany you, care for you, and remind you of who you are. You are a person who has lived a meaningful life. And even when your memories fade away, your value remains. Let your loved ones help you hold on to each moment. Because every day you stay awake, every memory you have left is a victory. If this video touches your heart, please share and subscribe. Let those who are in the same situation as you know. They are not lost, they are loved, and they are still themselves, even if their memories change. See you in the next videos, where the light from memories will still burn forever, even if it is just a small spot in the long night.